Welcome to Tape 3 TV, ladies and gentlemen. This is your number one soccer podcast in the land. We're coming from Tape 3 studios right here, Bulawayo, Kontutu, Ziyatunga. And as always, angihambing yedwa, ngihamba labafowethu. Masudu.
Swim tala.
Lungisa Mike.
Swim tala.
How far from?
Mnandi mtala.
Chenile.
Anchene kakhulu mtala, team of the year.
Ngiyakubona.
Edlithike nini mtala.
Butos.
Angila mali find.
How far from?
Mina ngisho.
Find njani? Uhlube violate singakaqali.
Uyaphambanisa no.
Indaba.
Kube kuyini konke abangqokele khona namuhla.
Sports way tala.
Kuthi uzasichapha nje wagqoka izikipa ze-disc.
Kanti ungaqhonga ese-disc ma.
Lesi seforoko esesibhura lezi.
Namhlanje uthayile eZimbabwe.
Afa Mr. Shongwe.
Afa mtala.
Ukupromote nje uyakusimbisa. Mr. Shongwe. Wacela ubizwa Mr. Shongwe.
Siya ku-interview yomsebenzi.
Sukhathiwe bahle waqhaso
Ikethi kwenza khona aba team iphelele uGadget unfortunately ube travelile is not with us but usendleleni. We hoping to have him next week. These days like sejoyine wena esibhano sebemkhiyakhiya but we're hoping ukuthi next week sebesila. As always, this episode is proudly brought to you by our number one sponsor, Lucky Bets. As Kambis Water always, Bashala Bistrasile, you see, tripped in Lucky Bets gear, Kepes. Okay, since it's the Kepes.
The Caps United.
With Lucky Bets. If you're not a Lucky Bets panda, you know what to do. Do the right thing. Just go to luckybets.co.zw, open an account there and start betting with the Lucky Bets. There's so much that you can get a Lucky Bets. Money level in a competition yama $2 buto. Uthi ungafaka $2 bakuthopela nge$2 futhi phezulu.
But ungadlala no deposit imali yakho then you play a ticket and stake $2. They will give you another 2 free bets for free. So
bakholisa
abasebenzisi Lucky Bets, those are there, they're enjoying.
Ababheja Lucky Bets
iqalisa so.
Ababheja Lucky Bets bakholisa. Lama friendly nje ama-friendly ayadla abantu babheja ama-friendly.
Kakhulu.
Babheja abantu. So ababheja Lucky Bets they are enjoying themselves. Uzifayile $2 uthole $2 phezulu. As always we encourage that you have to be 18 and above for you to have a Lucky Bets account. Masud aqalisa amaligi Lucky Bets wena account usushapha.
Mnandi.
Umbodla uvula udala.
Mnandi she.
Severizon page ngabe uSevereza kuye ngamthembiyo. Owathi gqokisa iskipa esingabhalwanga iLucky Bets la. Ngiyamesabela.
Lucky Bets ikhona la i-account.
Babonise nje ukuthi i-account inani.
Fuze udeposit bela bekunika i-t-shirt. Fuze udeposit $5 ufake iphithe uthola i-ticket.
Lana $5 iLucky Bets izinto eziningi.
Hayi sayenza njalo.
Nto wathi wathola yena lesana
but lesana kufuze ibe lesokuwina.
Kumele sokuwina.
Fuze ibe lesokuwina. Lesana somsebenzi.
Mele ube lesokuwina $5. The competition is still running by the way. Butho ungabatshela.
Yeah, competition is there. It's play and win a chicken replica where you deposit, you open a Lucky Bets account. So you simply go to Chrome or any website you are using on your phone and type luckybets.co.zw. Then you press the first logo zenini ya website ephuma phezulu khona pana and uhambe lapho uzabhala khona join. Join lapana, they will only ask your phone number and your password. Then you already have an account. So what you do, you deposit your money through ilokuzen Inbox, Eco Cash or Omari. The moment you deposit $5, it pop up on the deposit successful. You make a screenshot. Then after that you go and place a bet. Then you take a screenshot. Then after that you send to the detail those screenshots phone number elokuzen ephuma phambi kwe-TV yakho, ifone yakho, kumbe computer, whatever you're using to see. Then you send a WhatsApp screenshot on that, and the rest will be news to you. Ngoba uzabutshela abanye ukuthi khona Lucky Bets is for real. ask abanye sibabize last week, they've won their t-shirts. Ama-chicken in replicas are there. They are waiting for you only just to do that and to get one.
Right, gents, let's get the show on the road. Namhla vele asimeleli ukuthi twasitshona sithi what. Yabona uMasuthu la eseyalenda ujele kathana wathi ingezi. Lo savereza khaya batsheleni bathi ingezi.
So it's wrong with now uzigqola ama t-shirt umbro.
Alikho wrong. Lami ngichaye umro.
Mina mbona ingezi ichaya mdala. Hamba labahambayo. Ingoma isho njalo, hamba labahambayo. Ayachaya mdala. Ayachaya mdala. Ngiqale ngisabona ichicken ini ngabona
Ahle singene kumuntu Mutapa Cup, gents. Sihle si dissect.
Full of surprises. They're full of surprises.
All right, before we get into Mono Mutapa Cup, there's serious business. A CAF Champions League draw. Kumbul. Siqase ngebafazi. I-rentals ngayibona bayifaka ku group A laphana ile Gaborone United, the Soto Defence Forces, that is Lesesco Ndora Girls. Do you see lokhu zeni? I-rentals iphuma la ku group le?
They've been there before and they've managed to Puma last time. So I believe we Ngabe Kira that momentum abebelayo, and they always play good and deliver well. So I trust and believe that they are going to make us proud.
Iyaphuma nje i-rentals omama.
Yeah, i-rentals is serious mdala in terms of ama preparations abo, in terms of ngendlela abayenza ngakho i-rentals is serious. I see iphuma kahle because ngabantu aba serious ngento yabo.
Uyavuma Savereza?
Na vele team embathi i-threat le Zambia kuphela la. The rest labo izesco ye ngathi ngaba ingozi. But le setho le Botswana I doubt ukuthi 6 points izabe eziclean vele lezi.
Kuphuma ngake group in 2 or 1?
Because mbona group A lo group B, ama group ngana yi2.
So ama-qualifiers.
Then Sundowns ngapha ngama-qualifiers.
So ufuna 1.
Ama-qualifiers, I think maybe the top team goes through. Then ngapha ku group B kule Sundowns le Insingizi Watspace. Insingizi ngani serious. Yabona is popping up both on
kuba girls and
girls kuma women la kuma men.
Ngamadoda.
Insingizi ngani serious. Then kule club Deposto Costa do Sul eMozambique. Then the Silver Strikers eMalawi. Then ku Champions League ama-gents Scotland has been drawn with the Insingizi esikhuluma ngayo le khona eMalokozeni. Uyakhumbula badlala i-friendly eScotland umnyaka uqalisa bahamba badlala i-friendly Insingizi laba bathenga khona bagcina bethenga uThwala iAdruk yathatha lokhuzeni onelisizwe. Do you think iScotland iyaphuma laphana ku Insingizi? Because Insingizi I think it 3 seasons in a row.
Yeah, but looking at Scotland sigcwele ngabantu that they've been there ku cup laba experience abadlale kuma league la akhanyayo like Hofe Yamo Frankfurt yabo Omsona. So Scotland angisabeli endaweni ezinjalo.
Yeah, I think I will agree with Masutu because Scotland is their first time to be there, but not the players who are there. Most of them, the likes of Okama Peleat, who went up to winning that Lokozenin Trophy, Champions League, and becoming maybe the second best player in Africa and the African best players.
Yes, so
so I think people won't understand and what is needed for them to win. So I believe they can do something better. I believe they can do something better.
I think it's high time Scotland maybe like izama ukubreaka ijinx yelo kuzeni asazi ukuthi Swaziland isikhulela ngayiphi indlela, but ungakhala previous competitions ama teams la eSwaziland alasithwalise enzima
kakhulu.
Yiko benguthi ukuthi ku friendly, you remember friendly with the same team.
Yeah, ngakhala even iPlatinum man. Platinum la yakhitshwa iSimba Bora yakhitshwa Insingizi. So anti awonti kangathi lokhu bayehlula sazi ukuthi this time around
because Insingizi has been consistent. I'm saying if you look at past 3 seasons he has been there, but qualify kuma group stages, but first ma preliminary ya winner ingene ku-first round bese beyikhipha ku-first round so bele iye kuma-group stages.
but iyabe ikhipha i-team yeZimbabwe into yabe njani.
Exactly. And iScotland ihamba yadlala i-friendly la yadliwa futhi eScotland yabo with the same players bona labe batsho kama wathi bahamba badlala.
Ya ukuthi kwakuyi-friendly uBothoko mbona ukhulume kahle ukuthi they've been there, Kamabhiliyadi they've been there, Omsona they've been there. So amboni ukuthi kulento enyuku yibo liyani cup bayazi.
Yekho phela ngitsho angikuyali lokho, let's hope ukuthi bazakwanisa ukuthi beperforma njani. Be outshine abantu especially ku-away home usebengawini but away so kungaba nzima. Antu akwathi coach bethu laba bakwanisa ukusenza local njengezigi kuphela bengabeki ibhoda zasebenza.
But gents, asameni ku-Confed, Dynamos are supposed to represent us a grouping. Yagcina ikhichiwe iDynamos. Ayisabanga khona
mina ku-Dynamos ngingakuthatha ngendlela ezimbili. Ngithi khona it's a deliberate ploy because they knew if they don't do that they won't qualify. They're not going to play. Ngoba they've been winning Ishibuku consistently and they've never represented Lokuzenini Zimbabwe on the continental stage. They always have excuse they apply withdraw. Now they want to apply science ngabantu bayekela ngabomu ukubhadala umuntu imali yakhe bekwazi ukuthi bengakela umbhadala imali. That's what is going to happen. That's my own assumption ukuthi iDynamos never wanted to play that because ikwenzeka 2 in a row lokho songwe-3 foot. So they did it deliberately because 13,000 bra imali encane ku-Dynamos with you are flying people to Karipa, you are flying people elsewhere wherever you want and you're failing to pay that 13,000.
Fly one Dynamos. Don't get it twisted.
Yeah, but it's flying.
But it's flying. But it's flying.
But ungati flying.
Wherever you want, just flying.
As in 13,000 is you to
if you're able to fly to Karipa and back to.
Because it means you can't give an excuse of 13,000.
Because it's correct vele you cannot blame uChawonza ukuthi maybe why engazange was attend a take off. Liyana yinto maybe eyazakala vele ngabanikazi beteam.
But iCAF bikhuluma labani.
Obvious communicate.
Right.
It's a deliberate thing.
Because iDynamos angeke ehlele ukubhadala 1 2 3 13,000. Hayi. Even iphela even imali le babekwanza ukuyikhipha nge-match day lokuze get takings.
Wena unje so
uyawazi ukuthi i-administration sikhuluma poor administration. Anumzwile uChawonza statement sakhe sanekhuluma ukuthi is taking the blame 100%.
But it's correct wasithola sikhona.
Wasithola sikhona but he's taking the blame because he knew ukuthi there's because iCAF yaba contact. Why I'm saying at times it's poor administration because they so much to gain in participating in CAF. Ngoba imali yokuparticipate is 100,000 bra. So you cannot tell me ukuthi i-team did not want to participate bona bekwazi bathola 100,000 just participate because ama-CAF tournaments kade sasele imali.
Right, it's not only about a participation, it's about the expenses of going there. Bayabengelawo la kwana ukuthola so participate wakhona ukukhuluma lesikhiwa senzima. So the expense of you going there they didn't have. Bayabengela imali yakhona and bekubona ukuthi kuyabakhosi indleko zakhona ziyabalimaza because nxa bengela 13,000 abala imali yokuhamba ngale.
Abantu
nxa be serious ukuthi aba 13,000 bebengela imali ukuyale bebengelayo.
Inkinga ukuthi vele abantu bangajali ama donations bayahlupa.
To asla stadium ground.
Uyabona indlela obuya ngani?
Usemelela ukuthi
indlela obuya that's the way.
Usemelela ukuthi kuthiwa weeknele usesithi hayi imanini bhadala uChaminuka imali yakhe. Abantu ama teams lawa azame wona vele ngokwawo bafana.
Lapha bese bakhiphile phela.
But they knew it could die from kudala.
Exactly my point. Wena ubuya ngendlela ubuya ngesityle esisharp. Yabona ungathanda ama donations awusayenzi into eziproper. Awusayenzi into eziproper. Because they could have done into eziproper, they could have easily paid that 13,000 to iChaminuka but participate because ama expense akona emalini iSimbabwe idlale home and away.
Ama expense akona they're not too much but khona kana ukuthi khona
stadium
outside the country and so forth ama hotel bills and airplane mode konke affecta nje njenge-Dynamos but
umuntu nje yabe ngingafuni
umuntu nje ebengafuna ukuthi sinike uChamunuka ngathi uChamunuka belikhiombe liforeigner ngawabhadalwa but ngicathi local lokuzelini bengafuna ukubhadala umlocal because ama foreigners ngavele bescore 2 minutes isibhadala
but ngendlela I like indlela iFIFA yenza ngayo bacela bembhatalile obvious because there's so much to lose.
ngisho into zembhadalile
Very bas clear very at the end of the day ngoba akula choice bra.
Exactly.
Akula choice bacela besiclean. So that's the issue ngeLokhuzeni.
But
iDynamos ingacabanga ku draw. Anything to add?
and 7 million people were disappointed straight.
Kakhulu. That is why he had to come out.
ngaba ku 7 million kade bayakhipha $13 13,000 bengafika la usebiya kwana but enzama ukutsho ukuthi even wena atsho nje so yabo kwazi khona 1000 awukazibambe but nxa ngothiwa kufunakala 10,000 ifamily yakho kule nkinga ukukhuluma lemuli yakho iyaphuma imali yakho
And okunye into yabona sesikhuluma indaba yokuthi abantu sesikhuluma indaba yama donations, it's now a matter of ukuthi umuntu yabe ngathi yenza self sabotage ukuthi khathesi uzacela njani wena ukuthi awula mali wena i-team iperforma kuhle, hayi i-team iperforma kuhle. So lo mnye umuntu ongathi ufuna ukuthi izinto zihlale ezingathi zinjani zigobile so khona ezabe ecela kuhle ukuthi hayi khathesi this year sehlulekile ukuhamba kuCAF due to the fact that yokuthi asila mali cela nina ama donation, imali leyani sithathwa ayisayenzwe kwebhora ngiyenzana asikwazi kwaziwa yibo.
But report lana nto yathi phuma eCAF wabona they paid half 2 hours before the deadline. Babhadali half to iFIFA yathi hayi sifuna yonke imali.
Babhadali 6.5 imali eHonda Fit.
Yiko kutsho ukuthi okunye administrative let's have abantu right kuma positions are sharp. Teams will succeed at the end of the day because lokhu kuyasibisela move. If our players are not participating in such tournaments, was told to go affect at the end of the day national team. You understand? Because if we've got more teams, look at South Africa, bro. I'll always make an example of South Africa. Yaqalisa ukuparticipate ama players abo kuma CAF tournaments, but ama CAF tournaments serious. Look at what that did to the national team. South Africa.
Uthola phela ngendlela esandanza iperforma ngayo ku-African Safari ngalo iyabe deserve i-TV nibe le 8 ku-first 11 ye-national team.
You understand?
Because abantu labana bayakwazi ukuthi ku-Africa ngale out there kudlalwa njani.
So iDynamos yagcina sebeyikhiphile
asisupport but let the nation down. Not only Dynamos fans but the nation down.
Kakhulu.
Azabe baba patriotic.
Azange bebe ngabebhora.
Bafuna ukukhuzwa. Betshela ukuthi hayi into
Wona sebephumba umblame manje la uphumba uthatha iblame but aso yakhe cha.
Uchawu.
Na angazi into le ngayithatha njani. As long as bra they knew ukuthi isikwele lesi sikhona prior, you should have said engumholi osharp, you could have said let's clear this date, we want to participate in this tournament. Simple. Lingamenzanga umuntu omsulwa bra. Ucho is also part of the wrong. This is what I'm saying. Is also part of
umuntu osayinela imali mdala.
Behind the scenes bra uyazi.
Behind the scenes.
ama behind the scenes they happen, but as long as leader brand we are asking this is what we are going to gain going forward. I khona ukuthi that was why yena ekhulumela ukuthi wa 100% to blame. Understand?
Efuna ukuyehlela umoya wenkezi.
Yabo umoya esingawufuni.
More team of the moment.
Okay guys, let's move on to Imuno Mutapa. Also as Black Rock Putters.
Mina Black Rock abana angiyazi.
Anje ubuze last week
labana utwa bunyonyo buyabulala indlovu yebo hayi. But maybe Rock lana afabe ayende ba understand ngathi ya Rock lana maybe Black Rock. Hayi bachayile.
But usuyazi wantshela usuyazi you can move on. Usuyazi Black Rock.
Hayi bona bayazi ama players.
Wena usuyazi.
Mina ngazi ukuthi i-team eliminate.
Ndona nxa uyibhoso ngenkani babisonto nje uMasudu so.
Mina ngazi.
But into enhle ngeHighlander i1 lapha kuzokuthiwa Highlanders ichila moya babengakhulumeli ukuthi iyachila abayi-opposition kuphela umoya hayi even lani nje so abayilandela yalichila lani imimoya.
Asiqaliseni before we get into ama-results, asiqaliseni nge-issue yamatikiti. Wawukhulumile laphana, ngabona sesifayile iclip elokhuzeni. But wakuthatha website yeZifa. It is abantu abasazanga bazwisisa i-context abangabukelanga i-full episode. Abantu babengazwisisa. But those who watch full episode they understand ukuthi okhuluma ngani. Then ama-tickets asephuma kwaqala kuphuma i-statement
from official statement from iZifa.
Official statement from iZifa yathi ama-games would be $2.
$5 VIP.
The rest of the ground $2, VIP $5, VVIP $10. That was the official statement. But ama-ticket athi sephuma abese $3. The rest of the ground amanye azange change. Uhamba njani kona ba?
Yeah, I think kule ubugwelegwele nje obukhona ebantwini because you cannot give a statement and in the next 24 hours into sesitshintshile. Ngoba nje abantu ewange ngale ngizothoka khona babe yi$3 abewange babhadala ama$3 then abedynamos babhadala ama$2 sebengena eground because babe sebechingile. But abanye bathi khona kwakuthiwa khona if ngama teams division 1 wodwa adlala is $2 nxa kuyi Premier League $3.
Oh, okay.
But
so that was the confusion.
That was the but kodwa ku official statement kwakungakhunywa
Abaclarifying.
So ngamayimi mina sesiwazwa nje sisibuza kathi ukuhamba njani umuntu edayi kunje kupheke ku division 1 nxa yiwe njengani namuhla le iAquastars lechili lokuzenini but so ke ufuze kube $2 according to the explanation I got. Then nxa kule division le Scotland le FC Odense susiba $3 because kule team ePremier League. So that's how I understood it. Ngingazi nxa ukuthi khona umuntu wayekhuluma la ecabangela ukuthi kunjani.
But it makes sense though.
But into yangayi
Kwasomele uclarify.
It makes sense but into yangakhona ngathi le disorganization so abakho
akula order.
Yabona ukuthi uMashudu laphana kwangathi thiwa ukhuluma kubani maybe ngamabala kuphela ayasebenzisayo but i-order ayikho. Yakwathi ku tournament elemali le eqanjwayo I was expecting mina ukubona izinto nje as different as perfect when it comes to standard sebhora even no entertainment landlani zonke izinto zangona zingathi yizinto nje lezi ezokuthi maybe kukhitshiwe imali but ama services aba provider
because usola ngaphi kakhulu
mina endabeni yelokhuzenini endabeni yamatiketi miscommunication lana yamatiketi ngiyayisola even bengangexpect ukuthi mina sizabona even ama teams just like Imbada so ubona ama teams maybe siphiwa ama kit esponsing but izolo ngiyabona iNorthern Big Boys idlala ngezikipe ezingabhalwanga vina ama number okutshengisa ukuthi i-tournament ye-5 million lesikhuluma ngayo but umuntu udlala nge-t-shirt engaprintwanga vini lebisho legama lakhe.
Or even ngiyayithola ipoint yakhe senguzwe but i-branding e-stadium eLuvivi ngithe ngena even abantu bese getting ngathi mono mtapa they were branded. Safika ground afika ku branded. I expected ukuthi izinga futhi likhwele la kuma teams as is saying ngiyayithola into ayitsho like idlela Imbada eyayenza ngayo but you've got a point.
Yeah, I think a point because if we want to be the best we have to copy the best. Ungakhangela emazweni is let's say the most popular local leagues England
asambe egoli wona MTN 8
nxa ku even MTN 8 ngeke ngazidlala ngoba MTN 8 yabona kuyakubhalwa lapho ukuthi MTN 8 aso t-shirt ezaphinde isetshenziswe futhi kulokuze league but thina ngoba sithethele lezi siziwatchayo ze league siphinde sizifake nga which is ukutshengisa ukuthi khona sifuna ukuthuthukisa izinga lethu and I think this goes to every club in Zimbabwe ukuthi khona as try and by all means ukuthi khona sithuthukiseni izinga lethu in terms of ama match day jerseys ama teams ama players engahlale ephinda mjokotsha ama t-shirt lithenge kube kuningi lawo beke benikana even benika ama fans kuyathuthukisa ibhola khona. So I think by so doing it helps and improve igame yeZimbabwe.
Yeah, sponsorship
but ama sponsors yamalutshwana
issue yama sponsors. All right, asingene kuma-results nje siyachatha nge-surprise result Saturday before singaka-announce wonke wawukhulumile butho uthi Dynamos ayiphume wangi.
Yeah, i-Dynamos, when we look at the history, ithwele nzima vele ngalele kuzenini ewange. Iyawina sometimes but not always. Most of the time iwange always dominate. So
iwangi vele general iphukhi side
chipangano
iphukhi side e-Dynamos.
akuphumeki lula.
Which other result was surprising nge-Saturday?
But i-Dynamos phambi kuyishola nje iwanke is not ukuthi sithi iku-D1. Iwanke vele it's been there ku-Premier vele i-team ebalwa njenge-Premier.
No.
I-team echaya ama-team iku-D1 manje ngabe ku-D1.
I understand what you're saying.
But i-team vele evele ichaya
ehluphayo khona ngale. That's true what you're saying.
So
ibizo
mathi wena washo vele wathi izaba nzima i-Dynamos ukuthi iphume ngale. Even iyayilinda kuzaba nzima ukuthi iphume ngale because iwanke we know ukuthi it's a stable team kuyo.
Alright, mana kuphendule Masutu khona. Iwange ibi team ebeku-Premier League. The moment i-team i-relegate isiya ku-Division 1, ama-players they do i-exodus besuke behambe kwabanye abantu kuzenini ama-teams kusale sebethenga abahambelana nabeleholo abaze sebelihola phansi khona ngale. So those the standard is ka-D1. So those are the guys. The only team emanage ukuthi igcina ama-players aye ku-Premier League I think ibulawa i-Chiefs because yaba promise ukuthi imali yabe enjani ngokucabanga kwami yabe lokhu ifanana le Premier League ade bevele ihola that is abaningi bahlala ukucabangela
accidentally in Division 1.
So khona ilokuzenini into adisele yakhumbula sikhula kule game esasidla sithi bantwana wozana ekhaya sesaba nezilwane iwange isilwane selokuzenini se-Dynamos. So i-Dynamos ithi ihamba ngale vele ingqondo zonzana ukuthi ayiphume. That mentality mentality esenza vele even empilweni abantu singaphumeleni ukuthi ungathiwa Masutu enza lokhu uthi angikwanisi but awuzange uzame. So that is what killed ilokuzenini i-Dynamos. Iko engakucabangela ngakuthi vele kuzaba yilokuzenini i-advantage to iwange la kanye bese ukuthi pho
mental warfare.
Exactly. Yahle ukuthi
but iwange phela kunye abantu omele bakhangele kulama tried and tested players lapha the likes of Winston Mango bakhona kuwange and I think labo babele impact sibili ku game yankona
e-Dynamos.
But ifatigue manje lokuzenini e-D1 inkulu kwedlile lokuzenini
ama teams e-D1 ale insurance vele
udlala echebechebeni udlale ngaphi ugijime ama-games
sasicabanga ukuthi thina baza-affectwa
and abantu be-Dynamos bona bezivelela ku-holiday ngale career lokho vele i-jet lag noma bahamba
baphenduka phela sebebuye I think bathe behamba ngale bahambe ngebhasi
bahambe ngebhasi kodwa hayi khokhiyana ukuthi belokhe besemoyeni and ikhole yadecide ukuba too hot for them.
Which other result
Gwanda Pirates
nge-Saturday?
Hayi Gwanda Pirates disappoint.
Nalapho ngezwe ubuhlungu ngeGwanda Pirates. Siyafala usavereza ngezwe ubuhlungu. We are reeling behind iGwanda Pirates besifuna
le renters eChimos.
But gents iGwanda Pirates le Jordan same size Southern region Central region. Yali disappoint ngani?
Mina ya understand mina ngifuna sibila mina ukuzeni iGwanda Pirates ihamba because obvious one of the things I support to ilo matches but nxaso kukuphena kuma penalties I wouldn't expect ukuthi khona ngibasole because vele ngama teams wonke kulokuzena ku D1 the same size
exactly
but bafuze be capitalize of donke
home advantage
but sometimes yayala sometimes home advantage yayala vele
asikhaleni like ithi njenge iCapes pure Amanda 90 lokhana kwe Amanda 90 weScotland mina i-mentality engiyithanda emaplay ejengiswa amaplay eCapes United. If you are given a lower ranked side,
vandalize.
Prove ukuthi you are the giant. You are playing in the Premier Soccer League, guys.
Vandalize.
Don't beat them, vandalize.
You understand?
Vandalize.
I was impressed nge-Cape United. The mentality yabo. It shows ukuthi they are in a level eliphezulu ukudlula Amanda 19 awe Scotland. Although under 19 yabe kulibizo.
Lapana phela mdala into yakwazi ukuthi bekuyimpi vele.
But kodwa even though i-rivalry yona leyana but
and the rival lena is going far.
Even
ebafazini.
It's healthy.
Mina lokhana kumotivatile kungithabisile ukuthi like uScotland is not only giving bonuses to team
Ama-G.
amadoda kuphela, even labafazi bekuthiwe bengawina against Cape United Queens bayaphiwa lokhu ama-1,000 and they won.
Uyabanika
They won
ama-1,000
4-3.
ama-penalty.
That's good. Ilokhu zenini iwangi iwine 1-0 kuDynamos. Imozi ikuhome bayichaya iRentals 1-0. Ngenye iteam enalale engayinanzeleliyo echisayo this season iRentals.
But we've been saying, and it's Premier League teams. Yabo? To me, I was not surprised ukuthi iMozi idlwe iRentals.
Ma-students afundisile abantu ukuthi
Ibulawa Chiefs la yazitholela awuyagama kufile nje. Asiyaqedisa. Ikhwekwe United 0 Atroco 1 Jordan by
But talking of Bulawayo Chiefs, baba, Bulawayo Chiefs, to be honest, is ikuform so far.
So far,
Bulawayo khona kumbe mathi.
Akubulawayo team yokumoment.
Team of the moment, baba.
Akubulawayo team of the moment.
Serious supporter. Why supporter ngoba siyayibona ama results ayo. Bulawayo Chiefs babile order.
But to me, I'm not surprised. Ngama Premier League teams. Lapho liqathanisa ama team akusame level.
Akusame level, but Bulawayo Chiefs is team of the moment.
Ikuform.
Ikuform baba.
Sesikhulumela lakho kana ukuthi andiyabona ukuthi isizini ithe siyakubreak. Amanye ama-teams athenga, abanye adonethelwa, amanye athenga. But the-Chiefs managed to identify ama-weakest point lapha balekha khona. And babisa sibile abantu abazonjani?
Abazo-improve.
Abavala ama-gaps.
Yezo. Ayikhona ukuthi abantu ukuthi umuntu ethathwe khatshana ebuya lapha engathi umuntu obuye ku-holiday.
Yabona into ekhulunywa nguSaverizana. Into ekhulunywa nguSaverizana.
Ngiyakwazi lapho usiyakhula.
Engakhuluma ngani uyajoke nje.
It's not a joke, it's a serious
uqinisile because when uthenga i-player during the mid-season, you don't buy to build the team. You buy to value it for value addition. So when it's for value addition, we don't expect to see that person on the bench. We don't expect to see that person given him we are expecting to see that person given maximum time. Player Chiefs. Few game time and has been proven, and ever since Wileyo,
3
u-80 value.
Uhlohlo ichicken ini kuphela.
But ukutshengisa ukuthi yena vele ngala I swear a problem.
So khona i-value addition is for value addition, not to build. So ungathenga umuntu ufake ebenchini.
You understand? Ama-team la esikhuluma ngako umuntu Mtapa lawo, I'm not that surprised. Mina bengikhangelele ama-results unsurprisingly. Let's talk of i-Blanket Mine versus i-Tail One. To me, that's a result. Even ngani bepencenga elinye result elingalenanzeleli. Ama-underdogs beating ama-team, ama-Premier Soccer League team.
I-Blanket I said esikhuluma last week ukuthi number 1.
Blanket number 1.
Savela sakhuluma sathi i-Tail One is struggling, i-Blanket iyawina. So mina nxa ngipredicte njalo vela it's not a surprise to me because I predicted ukuthi i-Blanket izawina ku-Tail One.
So by right kulamanye ama-team ku-Premier League angama-chance, alama-player angama-chance, or ama-team angikhona sikhangela ukuthi ngabe aku-Premier Soccer League, but by right kumele ngabe yiwo aphansi.
Because into efuze linanzele ukuthi i-team yoku-Division 1 le team yoku-Premier League they one and the same thing.
It's not.
The moment you qualify for i-Premier League,
you cannot tell me ukuthi i-Black Rock ngiyikhombele Islander last week i-Black Rock idraw ile Islander ile Boso 9
yadliwa i-Black Rock yadliwa iBoso 9
asidraw 1-1
yadliwa i-Black Rock.
Imagine i-Black Rock yadliwa iBoso 90 and iBoso 90 akula mfana over 19 years.
Well, Antonio nokwadla ibhora. Uyakwazi ibhora la Johnson and. So that's answered.
But we need to it's not answered. We need to dissect that.
But yabona
we need to dissect that
result ash. Ngendlela iyadraw yadicha ngayo.
I-Black Rock
iyadraw.
No one expected to yeah 1-0
wina 1-0. Even Tafu na
mina lana I expected, you know why? Ikhwekhwe leya draw beku i-derby, i-local derby lena vele bekuza kanjwa.
Abazani kangako phela ama-players athi ngeke.
Ojaure Mdala uthini kani? Ojaure ikhokho phela and semdawo lana vele idebi vele bekuyidebi bekufana ukuthi ibulawo Chiefs even ibulawo Chiefs beyinika iZebra Revolution I would expect a tough match.
Yeah, then you are sure we but looking at umuntu wesports, looking at iBanket Mine, iBanket bafethu say unless ukwazi ukuthi iBanket Mine ungalandeli ibhora, but ulandela ibhora we know ukuthi iBanket Mine baba ithengile njalo iBanket Mine
abadlalanga labanye was why they were captured.
Thina vele izolo we know that ukuthi if iBanket Mine idlale kahle ilama chances okuwina la, because iBanket Mine istaff esikhona imaterial ekhona iya deserve progress to another level.
Look, Petros is doing a wonderful job.
It's another level.
Let's look at the Islanders. Then we move from Seskaila results maybe holistic. Islander versus BlackRock.
Sizapomba ukuthi maybe affect ama-poltos aku-False Road. Because
Gents, on a serious note, that team played against Boso 90 guys. When we are shooting bad, I thought they're going to draw in.
When we are taking it on a football perspective, on a football point of view, the reason why they played that match is because they knew no one can win. Babe was win match, so that's why they were given the opportunity to play. It was 11v11. Highlanders failed to capitalize, and they were punished for that. So that's football. So I'm saying thumbs up to that rock. Now we know BlackRock. Now we know that Timothy BlackRock.
Now we knew. Mthulisi Maphosa was coaching that team last season. Full strength.
I from Islanders, it's a poor result. Islanders yehlulekile bafethu.
Thank you, Masood.
Asingeke sitshayinja sifihla umphini. Islanders yehlulekile. Cause why? Lifaki example asho faki example about uthiwa yini Islanders 90 lana. Iposo 90 lana ifile vele total nje. But yakhona ukuyawina ngalo. Islanders ihlulekile and Islanders
asdrawanga in 1-1 thing.
I think
that draw, that was draw 1-1. It was 90 days. Let BlackRock. That draw 1-1.
Which means Islanders izolo base expect ingadli team lana. It destroy, it vandalize, ichiye kulucaco, ikuchaye 7. But Islanders ihlulekile, which means Islanders so far isaselo umsebenzi omkhulu. Ungabona udlula ilokhatho thina besingakwazi besithi kumbe ibaroka asikwazi lamanje amfuni kuba kwazi Islanders ihlulekile. Islanders ihlulekile sibuhlungu ngayo.
You see why I'm saying thumbs up to Cape United?
Islanders atimele butho atimele ukuvandalize.
So far ama teams angu-13 which have went through kuMnumtapa is BlackRock, Cape United, FC Platinum, Gezi Platinum, Manica Diamonds, FC Hunters, Blanket Mine, Trying BlackRock, Wange, Bulawayo Chiefs, Rentals, and Jordan. So sesimele lazadlala futhi namhlanje amanye
yeah, we've got 3 fixtures today, which
so
is
that make them 16.
Chili's Aqua versus Chile,
Scotland le
FC Oden
le enye lokuzeni Aquas if Oden le Mos 19 versus Chatidege. That's the
last game. Chatidege.
Oh.
So all the fixtures are kicking off at 3 p.m. today.
But Munumtapa has shown me uthi kuphuma ilokhuzeni imali ama teams azathola ngathi ama lower ranked teams they will be motivated ngemali leya.
It shows transparency as well.
And the other thing we forget ngongabi organized yo tournament le kutshintsha ama venue kangayi
lama venue le lama date
yinto lezesikhohle ama venue lama
dates were changed.
Uchenza ukuthi someone was sleeping on the job because you cannot do that mistake enjani ku stage sone
ayenzi. So befuna just to run through ku price list lapha and ama price ankhona ngane you know ukuthi iMunumuntu abantu idlalelwa ama juniors abafazi so kuningi we're just touching on we're just touching on ilokhuzeni Premier Soccer League because but yona umuntu mtapa is really gone down to the ground sibili yaqalisa kuma-juniors ama-juniors la adlali over the weekend omama labo badlali over the weekend so lokhuzeni ku-senior men i-prize labana i-winner outright winner
500,000.
also they will go to African Safari and was
So
yes it's 500,000 the prize money. The runner up is 400,000 US. My semi-final losers is 96,000. My quarter-final losers is 50,000. Then a round of 16 losers is 30,000. A round of 32 losers laying a boy island. I'm a 15,000. But I'm a 15,000. Then 28 team qualifier playoff losers is 5,000. Area zone knockout losers I'm at 2.5. Then his money is total from lapha eyaqala khona ibuya. It shows ukuthi ikhapule ile mali asokhaphe encane team should
Can you say final ezathatha i-Blair Chiefs
500,000
500,000 then isiphinde iphi 500,000 yokuthi for i-continental support.
Continental Safari baphiwa another 500,000.
Okay. Hayi wena
So all in all-
wena udinga ukuthi uyibambe kakhulu imali ngoba usayithatha.
No, I said that we did not touch about the chicken in
Anti
because bapidlale the ngezi. You understand? Premier League to Premier League, very expect any result change. Let's be honest. You understand? That's why mina pressure ukuthi ngikhulume kakhulu ngama
Hayi iqiniso kumele silikhulume ma kulalapho kuthiwa we expect something ngoba i-premier but ba ucoach ehlulekile uyabehlulekile ichikenini bafethu ngeke sichallenges fihla umphini ucoach uyehluleka bafethu ucoach sesidanisile ucoach sesibulile ichikenini sibonile izolo siyayilandela so far ucoach asikwazi udlala idibu labo tibula asikwazi ukuthi ibhora lemahlangini kumbe libhora langa you don't expect something to come out kuchikenini
asobhola le very real le.
hayi asikwazi ukuthi uSaveres wayiqinisile kube bathatha imali lana bamhambisa ngayo eSpain bathenga siyashota ngama-spice kuchikenini lapha hayi serious undiraya serious asingeke ndiraya usihlulekile ichikenini
so ikuna umuntu ugqoyise ingezi ufuna ukukhuluma kube
hayi no undiraya like vele ngayibona ichikenini
ama-results ngabe kuthiwa khuluma other way round and maybe ngabe kuthiwa into ekhulunywa ngomasudu ngabe sithi hayi uyamzonda umbulamanga but ama-results azikhulumeni.
ngamfaka kusemcategory lo Joe.
hayi undiraya ulabafana bakhe uyabona
I'm just saying in terms of results.
Standard.
Standard.
Yeah,
Standard.
this time around ichikenini singafuna uchange sifihla umphini ibe nama lose amaningi more than ama wins and ama draws ku Premier League, which is so disappointing as a fan.
Isasela malacha ziyaqhubeka. Isasela maluzi.
as long as Londiraya khuluma iqiniso nje antu nje uyalazi iqiniso undiraya nje ngibulile nje
Uyakubona last episode ngibonela i-comment kathi wangasoli sola nje sefufa futhi
No, but iqiniso as a fan you sometimes kulesikhathi lapho uzwa khona ubuhlungu and into ebuhlungu kakhulu by being a fan ukuthi ubuhlungu bakho akulanto ongayenza to change things. You just cry from afar ubukele nje ukhayela izinto ezisona uphambaniseka but ungelanto ongayenza.
fans are respected bra.
Yeah, but
bakhalile ku platinum uJoga sekho.
But okunye mina I think thina sabe singakwazi ukuthi ichikenini Londiraya bavumelana. Maybe bona they said they want to build for upcoming season.
Yes.
Yabuya khathesi simaintain nje usinga relegate because ngabe twa ukho njalo asazi because
sasikhona ukit launch
they don't look dangerous vele bona bakhangele
thina ku kit launch sasikhona lobutho they were expecting ukuthi babe
number top 3
top 3 from the bottom.
If you're watching this episode or this channel for the first time, please remember to subscribe and be part of the family. Subscribe khona just fitizela subscribe also notification bell, press notification bell just to get notifications of everything that will be happening.
But
Angikhohlwanga before we move on, gents. Sithi sibonge ku Pula Lethabo. Pula Lethabo still purified water. Sponsor futhi team kaMasuthu iHighlander. Bathe ukuthi episode iflow emnandi singawomi sibe si
Chabula.
athi lathi amanzi alathi ama player
Kuthiwa ngubani uPula Thabo?
Pula Lethabo.
Mina ngiyamsola lo ndoda.
Hayi.
muzwe bayi mana
Ngizwa mina ipoint yami ndoda ungathi hayi ngoba wena
Umsolelani?
maybe unatha amanzi nje. Thina mina ngikhulumela as fans ezama supporters mayigcwele beef. Ingaphe yami mana ngithi. Le azake siyibone we are running out of water eBF every time.
Asoqala lakhe
Abe kuphi amanzi wala? Abe ngekho kiosk sicine sesithenga ngelokuzini ngemkoto le yabala nge.
Awakhe kiosk.
Abe sepheli. Abe hayi bakithi. Zwana abantu ababukeleyo kanje.
Ama-kiosk asolaba. Nginte ama-kiosk asolaba lamazivoti lamanye
Maybe ngcule point afuna ukuyi.
Abantu ababukeleyo bazahamba lami. Abathona beseBF amanzi we are running out of water every day elokuzini eBF sicine sesithenga ngegedi ngemkoto yegedi la just because abe ngekho amanzi lawo.
So uthi abephula benzeni.
Thabo Pula sicela amanzi lawo abe more.
Pula Lethabo.
Pula Lethabo abe more eBF. Singawasweli ungasomanzi siwana kathi sine studio singawavula siwana le 10 times but ngale sabe silokuzini.
Ukhala uthi abe maningi.
Abe maningi eBF.
Savereza I think ule idea usolubani la because I'm sure laba bona their sponsors and
laba bona their sponsor mina
basponsor iHighlander abaswela iHighlander babelawo then
even la kuma kiosk kan
umbuzo
abantu aba supply wena nje maybe lapho uyabuhlalele khona
ikiosk iphikathi
lapha vele into ezikhulumayo zonke lisola abantu abangayisibo. These people they manufacture. They manufacture ayisiba abazodelayo bona bamanufacture wena uyabuya uzowoda usiyathengisa i-tuck shop yakho ephile ukuze neBF ngathi.
Labe marketing yibo abantu
bafuze bethi bephekile behambe futhi bethengisa futhi i-tuck shop engasoyapha.
hayi
Umnikazi we-tuck shop ngawode kibe ezothenga.
You are coming with a point.
yi point
So laba balaqala phezulu.
Angihlashi lutho
lapha usithi wena amanzi ashort awode amanzi la uhambe ayathengisa.
so suqedile wodanini amanzi ePula Lethabo akhona manengi
kuphela.
I-target market igcwele
I-target market igcwele
Exactly, that's the point.
Amasuthu
ayafuna.
so iPula Lethabo babukile baza kuzo sizabahambisela iclip yakho njenge.
Ubatshela ukuthi siyabatshela amanzi lawa as long ukuthi Highlanders kulomunye umuntu ozangena eBF expecting ukuthi hayi iPula iyasponsor eBF engeke siswele amanzi eBF unfortunately bese waswela seswela iPula but bePula sicelana ukuthi liyenze effort yonke libona ukuthi ongama tuck shop ukana ukuthengisa umpostori lapha la wena impostori esithenga kuwe ulalele sicela ukuthi uye woda ePula amanzi wona lawa
but sekhulumile ipoint but ngani ngiyamuza but ngani ngiyamuza ipoint yakhe.
Anyway Masuthu lawe sikufisela i-quick recovery njengo coach Jongwe ungangeni enhliziyo kakhulu.
Ucoach Jongwe lapha ukumenze
Uhle wakhala libhozi wagqoka ingezi.
ucoach Jongwe umenze I think ucoach Jongwe ubefuna urevenge kubulawa Chiefs
but kasuka ngaphela okunzima yena
wandasuka nale
wazisukela kuhle
wazisukela but I-pressure we know ukuthi ama-fans they were not happy just like we were saying ngocoach Nderayo ukuthi ama-chicken fans they are not happy ngebhora. I-Chiefs then yayiwina but yadlala ibhora elibhowayo playing boring football. Uthi umntwana wasuka I-Chiefs 6 wins 6 goals clean sheet ayi-6 after 6 games but fans were not happy because ibhora lakhona lalibhowa kuyi-dum 1-0 sebevalidate ama-support athi hayi singaqhubeka sinje so siyabulawa. You understand? So it happens in football. It's unfortunate ukuthi Chicken is not winning but ibhora labo dum sibedliwe. I-defensive football behlohlwe so that's why nabo bekhala.
But chicken in just like a Phoenix nje, they will rise again. Ambona.
Ngembasambasa. The only team edlala ibhola lembasambasa eZimbabwe is Chickenini.
Mane chicken na uyithandi bro.
Hayi.
Chicken ngancanywa.
Hayi konke angincayo. La wena eqiniso uyalazi nje. iChickenini nje kuyini ngokuthi ibhola liqala emuva. 2 minutes labe selingala. Hayi less than 5 seconds labe seliphendula.
What is like?
So ibhola lislaki lilala nje. Hayi.
Kudlala imfundo. 4-2-4
Mina you know Savereza. Thina chicken siyathanda as much as ubulawayo chips sayifuna ibe khona but ngalelela ibhora lalabana abantu abangani ngabe snooker nalana othaye ibhora wadlula be rugby so umuntu webhora vele ma coaches
demoralize player mistakes happen
mistakes mawumuntu ngekho kakhulu
penalty yakhutwa bra
penalty
zwana nguthe
Messi azake
zwana nguthe
yabona mina
kulo muntu othwa lo muntu akekho ebhoreni ama coaches we know silaba labantu benu bathandayo wanjo look at manje umfana wethu lo uthiwa ngubani lo uvala mlotsho yamazi umvala mlotsho yamazi uvala mlotsho umlotshwa ulethwe nguthayi uyakwazi ukuthi ma ukuthi uhamba lo coach upikwa ngucoach ma ucoach sehambile so kumele umlandele ngoba nguye kupikayo manje umlotshwa kasadlali umfana lona okhuthi iphena wathaya irugby football lwa ugawe lwa uthiwa ugawe as long kungaba lo munye ucoach epika kahle kadlala umele ahambe lo ndirai ahambe nama challenge njengomkhazi enkomeni
right seseqiniswe when we are talking football in football ama frustrations like ade silawo izolo lawa nani
azinto abangcono beventi bese ngifuna ukumove
alright ama frustrations esibe lawo like izolo njengathi ama supporters eChickenini atholakala because they are instantaneous isikhathi soneso sobuhlungu but nxa usuhlezi phansi su reflector whatever happened yesterday into ezitholakala eBoreni ukukhutha lakhona kwenza ukawe kuyatholakala ama mistakes ukuthi ucoach emgcine eqeda ibhola kuyatholakala because ucoach ebecounty map uza kwenza something at the end of the day qine ngasayenzanga and it's coaching is always a gamble because you never know ukuthi maybe ngangimtshintshile ngafaka omunye ngimfakile befike 20 red card umbenze something it costs so all those things are just a gamble and say kuzabhadala kucina ungabhadalanga into etholakala eBoreni but lokho sokhunjwa amasudo ongena ngeheart eBoreni kuyatholakala everything is
ngona abantu besenzela ama donations sefuvulela iGoFundMe wena uthola 2000 uhambe yenza ucafe bona
uzakwenza njani eBoreni kuyatholakala
as long ucoach wena mawuthanda ama chance as long kule nyama ebenchini sicela usifakele thina inyama yethu hayi konsidla amacha umfana lwana Jay besibukele sonke ibhora umfana lwana ifavorite kandiraya
but uselesikhathi kulenga
ule point
ibhora masudu and what is happening these days ibhora locally advanced kulama analyst ama performance analyst kulandani abantu babekhangele umuntu lwana wena thina maybe thina kusimwaterrace impact yakhe zabe singayiboni because I doubt mina ukuthi technical team yonke ya ngizwa
muzwe
ayibona umuntu ekuthukumisa ibhora epasa yipi impatho ofuna uyibona wena asikhulumeni ibhora umuntu mayehlula ukupasa ehlula ukumisa ibhora akalazi into akekho kuform
who is to blame for a lose eChickenini yi team or individual performance phela
mina mangubhuru wakho lo wasingaze sihlala social uzumbhike mangihlule kumisa mpase ngikhipha mawungikhipha ayikho ukuthi lokhu ngigcinile nje ngoba ngombhuru wakho lona umuntu odehluleka nje
ukuze team iwine ukuze team iwine eBoreni masudu kufuze kube lo one oyenza mistake on the opposite side that's it's unfortunate I mistake yenziwe umuntu eChickenini ithi madu isupport ayikubuhlungu so lokana kuyatholakala ubuhlungu lobana ubuhlungu labo lobantu yibe siphume silabo estadium izolo because bekusanda kusenzakala but njengabantu beBhora se accept because kuyenzakala
ngithi usubhodlisa ushabo
umuntu ebhora khuluma ibhora nje umuntu maye ngekho eBoreni nje akakho butho even la ku social esidlala imbasambasa
uMessi kakazaye ukuthi penalty wadlala iBhora
la sikhuluma ngendaba yephena sikhuluma ngekuthi umuntu maye ngekho utsho umlade ngekho eBoreni mina kade ngihleli lawe nje amfuna uqamba amanga ngimsole ivini ipass yakhe ivini lokuze
ungalalela ipoint ekhulunywa nguSavereza nti uzaphenduleka eBoreni kade sisokudlalwa kunje so kulabantu okuthiwa ngama-match analyst baya-analyze ukuthi inkezi platinum idlala njani beyibona ukuthi inkezi idlala njani then sebesiyakhangela etimini yabo ukuthi eteamini yethu kulomuntu ongakwanisa yini ukumaka kumbe edlale that kind of play edlalwa eteam leya then isebona those are the suitable people ababekhona sebempika sebefaka so sometimes yikho okuyabe kwenzakile
Asho ukhuluma enye into Asho mana mvale ngokuthi madoda singazama ukuvala sithina nje ubutho izolo ithe mase siyachaywa lana waqhweba wena Asho kale singafuna ukukhuluma kuma viewers basele imfosile ubutho yena ngokwakho uqhwebe wena waqhweba la wathi madoda khale lama players echikenini wonke sekhakeleka sebona into ayakhutha ngoba sikwazi uzakhutha so why defending him wonke umuntu even lama players wathi lawo wena sesikucebela kuma viewers sesikucebela kubantu uthe nawo lo umuntu uzafutha khakhele lama players
obviously i-prediction yathi la
manje ngisolani ukwazi lo
kwathi kodwa kuyatholakala
hayi akutholakali ngoba la uvela ukwazi lo umuntu
right
phela guys ngabe akula muntu
kuyithayi nje umuntu yakhutha ngithe uyithayi yakhutha kodwa kuyatholakala
phela ku-perfect ngabe lokhu esilele luvevela khathesi
uma suthi right that umbono wakhe la the right ibhora vele it's a game of opinions but at the end of the day gents ibhora yebo they advance besikhuluma i-episode iqalisa lapha besikhuluma ukuthi sikhuluma i-Dynamos as long i-team yenza izinto ngendlela ezi-right i-Dynamos singabe ikhona nje ku-confederation elikhulumayo ukuthi ibhora seli-advance kulabo match-analyst kulani kulabo dietitian ngabe kuthiwa into zona lezi ziyalandelwa ngabe ibhora siyaprogress it's just the same with coaches gents ucoach engafuna uku-overrula ngu-head coach bengaze bemtshele nxa uMasudu lapha emsupporta khona u-head coach engafuna uku-overrula umatch-analyst bona lapho ba uyakuyenza nje afaka umuntu wakhe ngeke sisole
yabona thina sukube kanjalo sesibuyela ku-point la
ukuthi it depends
are those coaches with OCAF A really meet standards ka-CAF A or ngabantu ababa le-lucky baba privileged
abanye ba privilege
abanye baba privilege bathola imali
abanye they are not coaches kuyafana Savereza let's be honest James abanye they are coaching because zibala ama certificates
yiko phela ngikutsho ukuthi
abanye they are coaching because maybe nceku admin kulomuntu amthandayo umuntu oqhatshayo uyabe emqhatshile on merit but ibhora what I like about football ibhora does not lie bra ibhora likuqambela imanga ama results the type of play azakucebela ukuthi
but okunye nge-standard sethu eZimbabwe ngiyabona uMtuma uRodrick Mtuma u-head coach weLokhuzeni wena John Big Boys awuthingile hayi
lona so coach
point yakani
ngabe social lamana sengikhuluma ngawo
asiyali singabe social but ube sekhulumela ukuthi igame sometimes abanye abantu basuka bathi umuntu engucoach eloCAF A nalo ebesesiba lenhlanhla ebe le team futhi ethandwa yini
ngoref it happens yes
yena wena ungase ubuye eteamini engelawo ama-ethics
this is what I'm saying ukuthi ibhora does not lie
yabo so khathesi wena na ungumuntu sibili kumele ukuthi na ungwebhora usebenzise olakho ngcono sibone these people are struggling but they are trying
exactly
but abanye abantu usubona ukuthi njani khathesi ungakhangela i-division 1 material yikubona kwanisa ukudla i-premier staff because umuntu lwana uyabe kwanisile ukuthi estarteni
i-Premier League
yabo so
ibhora liqambe manga gents why mina ngithi ibhora liqambe manga at the end of the day liza ku-expose as we are saying liya ku-expose ibhora ukuthi okay maybe ngce ubewiniswa ngabo-ref maybe ngce but i-reality sesiyibona anti kade ngenze example ngoJongo uJongo wayewina ku-Chiefs but ama-supporters abona ukuthi ibhora leli alisisi ndawo leli they were not happy ibhora vele gents singayenza into ezi-right from top to bottom uzathola ukuthi even ama-coaches a-appointwayo ba-appointa umuntu abohambelana le philosophy ye-team so ungasela ukuthi because siyakuncanya or kanjani that is awuthola ukuthi even overseas ama-coach ajabo Mourinho uthola sebegcina sebephendukiswa ama-team njabo Madrid because base bebona ukuthi for us to go forward even abantu bengamncanya but senze into eziright uthi umuntu uyafunakala you understand ibhora soziqamba manga majuti
Hayi, ibhora
sabe
liqamba.
sibona uma suthi that's why ngimsupport khona i-chicken in if we are looking at it sibe honest butho as a chicken in fan is not not playing ibhora esingathi
Elingathi-
lama bosses e-chicken they can be happy but they've brought in akuna team ethenge njenge-chicken in
Hayi.
they've brought every player from the continent, DRC, Namibia. You understand? They've brought the best. Esingathi kuZimbabwe. So umasudu ngiyakusupport bro. Noma bengaze bechinga. Lapho la ngiyakusupport. So let's move on Jensi to I think this case is closed. Let's move on to Chibuku. This weekend we've got the Chibuku Super Cup. We also the draw. Ama preliminary games adlaliwe idelana was it Tuesday? Tuesday, where we saw third one the triangle. Zadlala the agama le Manika. Zadlala ama 0-0-0-0. Zakuma penalty shootouts. Triangle. Yawina ama penalty. The
third one.
third one the triangle ama penalty.
I-triangle, I think advance to the stage.
Let me check.
Triangle.
Triangle yawina ama penalty. Then ku agama le lokhu zini.
Le
Manik same story la zamba kuma penalty futhi adlala 0-0. Yawina ilokhu zini ngama penalty.
Akam.
Yawina ama penalty. So the draw was done. The fixtures are as follows. Scotland Football Club will take on FC Platinum. These are the fixtures this week. Saturday and Sunday. Hard Rock will take on Ibulawa Chiefs at Chawanda. Capes United will take on Simbapora. Dynamos will take on Triangle. The Rentals will take on FC Hunters. Ingezi will take on ZPC Karipa. Moz will take on Agama. Islanders Football Club will take on Chicken in Papa Fields. Lokho njani ama fixture lawo?
Mina ngibuhlungu nge-Islanders le chickenini ukuthi bahle baphangisa ukuthi kobulayo kusala kulama team ayongidraw. It's
Point, Baba.
very early for that because definitely and obviously A1 is asale, A1 is a ham. And Ibulawa Chiefs.
Iphi hamba ipesala? Ngombono wakho.
No, this is a derby, bro. This is a derby. I mean, I'm a chicken fan. There's no way. I'm a chicken fan. There's no way that we can lend as a side. But Senkurumi Pora is a derby. It's anyone's game because it derby is not for the coach. It's for the players.
So far, this is in Ireland as they've got the advantage.
They've so far. So and then Ibulawa Chiefs are pure draw.
Away to Chawanda.
Njengoba sithemba ukuthi giant killer antis ibasitsho njalo.
Ngendlela eli underperforma ngayo i-chicken ini le Islanders. Awungeke umangalise ukuthi kuswelakala iwina ngelanga lo.
Uyahleka lawo.
It's funny,
Uyahleka
bro.
dude.
It's funny, bro. So is it serious business? Abuza uthini nje?
Angizwanga.
Uthi ngesande BF ku iyalinda le chicken so ngaswela iwina endlela ezidlala
Hayi wini khona. One is the fact ukuthi kuse PF. The fact ukuthi sidlala le team liyana embasa yabo.
Ngathi dliwe like kuse Black Rock.
No, like i-chicken in the Islanders, we know ukuthi so far currently vele i-Islanders
Ama breaking rights
ingcono ukudlula i-chicken in. Ngaphandle mase betshintsha ucoach. Undiraya kasihle.
but usavereza has got a point. Lina lani
You should also remember
livela ku-4.
selile three loses in a row.
Bavela ku-4 futhi Capes and lavela kuluze eBlack Rock.
I-chicken ini bisiqalisile ukuperforma kuhle ku-league. Yikuthi nje angikwazi ukuthi maybe kwaphana
Akhona uperforma kuhle.
yayisiperforma kuhle.
ibithola ama results.
Ibisithola ama results. Ithi performa kuhle Ibulawa Chiefs. Ibulawa Chiefs even idliwe.
They play as a team, they play as a unit.
You understand?
And
Mina, I think Bulawayo Chiefs is the
But they
team of
gritty civil and
the moments
Mm.
Bulawayo in terms of angazi ucoach Lolombe layo wathatha half of my supporters walalela. Cause now you can see uma ubukela Bulawayo Chiefs, you can enjoy the football.
So when you want to tell me ukuthi khona ama supporters yalazi iporo lo coach.
Ama supporters la bebona nje amtshila la lokhu yabona lapha kubuyenze. So it's not ukuthi uba ngokade kuchinga usavere uba ngcoach kokanti ube lo CAF A maybe ube lezi imali zakho ukuthi uye pass su CAF A, but ama players ama supporters abebona nje umuntu akabhadala $5 engalazi ibhora nje yabe khangile lapha. So so far nje unanzelele ukuthi Bulawayo Chiefs
And the other thing eyenzakala ukuthi awukaphumi official statement. I-game ye-Chicken Islanders will be eventually determined by ukuthi i-midweek na ukuthi izaba khona zizadlala njani, because anti kule fixture lana ile ngemoyeni bekungathi kuthiwa ingadlala nge-Wednesday. Not yet sure because akukabile communication ukuthi is it true or what, but nakuyikho engawina nge-Wednesday isingaphindi iwine futhi la nini la nge-Sunday futhi or kube
Vice
versa.
Then amanye ama-fixtures, Bulawayo Chiefs to going away to each wonder. Do you see Bulawayo Chiefs making Bulawayo proud?
Yeah, after igame ngibone ile uzenini idlale kuzenini lekhwekhwe, because ngandibukela igame le. I think Bulawayo Chiefs has got a chance. And the good thing ukuthi futhi umKadafi akho yabe ule injury.
Okay.
So he won't play. So
Prince too.
So I think Bulawayo Chiefs, because going there bona
So nesabo Prince too kudonavaya.
Prince to be mesaba.
Yeah.
Unava bamjayele
Top goal scorer change.
bamjayele but
14 goals.
but kaze hlohle ku Chiefs.
The 14 goals top goal
Kodwa
scorer.
kahle but kaze hlohle ku Chiefs. He's doing well at his age.
Kaza yehlohla ke.
Against Chiefs.
Ewadru.
Even
ukuthelwa.
Yazazi ku D1.
Accidentally D1.
And iloku zenini bensafuna ukuthi ngathi iBulawayo Chiefs iyahamba ngale ile ndlala yokuthi khona iyadrug yachaya ihamba ile compliance ukuthi sina siyachaya. That's enye into ebangaba independent views ethi khona futhi sikuhome. So khona khana i-compliance la bengayiki ukugada against that sebengadliwa yadrug.
That ke sekuzwa ama bucket city.
Alile oyezwa liye rafi.
Asingakayi kuyadlala la. Sadlala la eWomo la ePF.
Kuliga bakahlanga.
Which fixture also
Dynamos is taking on what?
Let me go back to
Dynamos ve noma ingaluza abalandaba phela anti abakho serious bona ukuyadlala outside the country ve.
Iserious. Phezulu okuyabe kuyidahla khona.
But you get demoralized abafana kokha. Guys, the likes of Nathan Mtasa, I think they were looking forward to ukuyadlala la ku CAF ngale.
Dynamos is taking on a triangle.
Yeah.
Ayawina Dynamos.
Wena ngumagombe phela lo esikhuluma
Is
ngayo.
at home.
Yes. Sesigalethi ade sikumelele ebhoreni. Finally sokuyazi okwenzakala.
iScotland versus FC Platinum alikhuluma ngayo. Maybe ngeke useno ngebe seqalisile umsebenzi.
But so far overseer be Platinum they are not doing bad. This opti like asoze buyenza ama changes kanjani.
Useno.
Ukuthi umuntu
So you see issue esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi coaches have been recycled for a long time. That's why PC Platinum Mcine
Sibisa from outside.
Started from outside.
That's a good thing,
Is that it brings a breath of fresh a team in, because we've seen our coaches being recycled a lot of time.
But that's the way Dynamos esiperforma ngayo. Ucoach lo oyile ukuza khathesi we olikiwan. Ngiyose coach. Laphana babe sensi standard discover.
Sika technical.
Sika magombe lapha. iDynamos iwin. Mina okay ucoach lo mina eDynamos the way ngamretha ngayo ngama games akhe lawa abile wa coach khona lapha nakuda hayi ukuthi
But bakadliwa wena.
idliwe phela idliwe wangi kade idliwa ngayo yathwala PC career
So
uMagombe wena
so Sumsora
angeke idle iZPC card.
Eh?
Angeke idle iZPC card.
I will never know. But nxa usukhuluma so ngecup kuningi ama-factors okhulume ngawo ekuqaliseni ususola ucoach khathesi ucoach lo yeyimseli babe khona kanothi edela ukhuluma ukuthi iwange is a book side or uthole i-chemical vele iwange yakhulela i-Dynamos ngoba iwange vele kuyaziwa ukuthi ngale chemical wise oganethi ba-dangerous akutshani baba ucoach we-Dynamos mina angamsoli nje angamsoli that much although even bedliwe i-division 1 side ubengakadliwa ku-league i-Dynamos was playing
so kumdelelisile manje konke
i-Dynamos was playing well. Yes, we just might never know.
hayi ukuthi even la kulakhi base la uyakwazi
Isquad 7.
into ethiwa ikhapha nje ama-team nje uyakutholela even la ese-England even la se-Spain lawo lo budlala kulakhi base uyabasithi ikhaphu sungama-surprise so i-Dynamos asiyisoli lo bedlile
but ikapulela imali brale
hayi ukuthi le mali kazo ikwethe ikhaphu le-England uyabona i-FA yonye i-team idliwa ngenye i-team uma ngaluthi kuhamba njani that's because the cup
thing vele khona
hayi cup
into enjengamakhapu lawo ziyanceda because iyanti le cup
Chibuku,
hayi sesiphumile kuchibuku ufuna ukubuyela kumuntu umtapa ukuthi i-introduction of imuntu umtapa cup isincedise nge-one thing i-government ibonile ukuthi ama-teams abespend izimali eziningi match day besicina besala bengela senti
Oh yes, you are right.
sefuna ukuya endabeni yani yokuthi let's hope ukuthi i-government ayizange yathi ama-levies lawa eyehle ngoba bona sebebonile labo yibo somele bekhiphe imali eningi behaya ama-stadium lani they did it on i-purpose sibile ukuthi ama-teams enjani a benefit.
So just to give context, what Savareza is saying, and this what the cabinet ihlale phansi yagcina ikhatha amanye ama levies like ngachecka issue ye Sport and Recreation Commission i6% liyana ireduce nge 50%, 3%. Then kule levy also ebihlupha match day revenue yama local authorities yoku stadium. 15% lana has been reduced to 10% as well. Stadium. I think ama levies amani, but on that issue into engayibonanga yama police, because teams have also been crying for ukuthi babhadala aba police because we expect you to see security personnel ening ema ground. I did not see issue lana ukuthi abayibambanga ama police angazi ukuthi maybe ubutho 11 an idea kanti ngebuze kwaStozi, can you kindly fact check this for me? Ama police, are they very supposed to be paid? Will they not be doing service yawo as police officers
of a country serving the
ngichekele ngisacheck amanye
but kuya kuyi-private event phela it may be the fact that kuya kuyi-private event yikho kuqina usokusiba njalo
but so ama-police akumelanga yini maintain i-peace and authority in such events bese emsebenzini wabo veni? That's another question because
maybe lana imalani ibuya ibe yi-token of appreciation nje.
I-Premier Soccer League levy will be reduced from 10% of net match day revenue to 4%. I-Premier Soccer League bithatha 10%, so sithatha 4%. Then i-local authorities venue hayi lana ngikhulume ngayo 15% to 10%. It's a good thing. Sports and Recreation Commission is khulume ngayo. Then iZIFA also ibithatha i6% layo ikhathiwe nge50%. So it's a good thing ukuthi bakuhlale phansi babona ukuthi ama team abethwala nzima. Ama team atheseza thola imali engcono. But still bathini kwaStozi ngama police.
While maintaining public safety is part of the police mandate, there is that RRP legally charges fees to commercial event organizers, such as the PSL, to hire dedicated security detail for matches.
Yabo mina khona phana kuyimi I would expect amapolice engabhadalwa because I don't see the point.
The point is that resource allocation, deploying dozens or hundreds of officers to a single stadium, diverts state resources away from normal community policing. Also, cost burdens. Clubs frequently lobby against these deployment costs, arguing that high hourly rates for officers strain lean gauge-taking budgets, sometimes leading to organizers to under-hire security, which compromises the safety during high fixture.
It makes sense though, but abaqhatsha amapolice bemaningi.
ababanika amakhopho ama-fuel kuphela.
You understand? Uthi sebethethe amapolisa odembele ezijuti somewhere babise stadium.
Yeah, ubona khona uthi khona lama expenses amanye futhi ukuthi ukuhambisa futhi khona ngale kufuze kubhadalelwe like khona kokhunya uthi khona bese basusile uthi benza umsebenzi wabo kwezinye indawo.
Umsebenzi wabo is part of their job.
Yeah, it's part of their job as well, because we are the taxpayers and we are expected for them to be paid through those taxes which we pay. So I believe ukuthi khona they are not necessarily being paid for the services ukuthi khona bahambe bayenze policing, but it's just just maybe amanye ama services ababayenza khona just their presence and policing ukuthi ke kunceda ukuthi kungabi lo msindo nje on those fields, but so ngantwa i-party time eZimbabwe. But emazweni they are not necessarily being paid for that.
I would expect the same though.
I
would expect the same.
Amapolice vele amele save the nation. Kukhana bezibuyile kukhana ukuthi babe senza for the government to save the people, to save the nation. Not ukuthi
Singapore already as it stands, inamba yamapolisa in
abakhatshe baba.
Yike ngitsho
bafuna abantu bengalamsebenzi so
for what's expected
Balushwane one is making sense. Mina bengicanga ukuthi maybe ngce indlela zokungena esipoliseni uMaths what English abantu abaningi babengena abantu babefuna isibhano nje. You understand? So it works both ways, but I did not expect ukuthi amapolisa abhadalwe nxa eselokhuze ngoba ahola already. They are doing a service. Anyway, asikho lapho ichibuku is happening, guys, over the weekend. Good teams abelelaki on that day as a winner. iKhasilaka Premier Soccer League is not on this weekend. I think it will resume that other wiki ka 22 what?
22.
Should be 22, 23.
15
Yeah,
Saturday, then
22, 23. 22 weekend at 22, 23. That's when iKhasilaka Premier Soccer League will be back. So
that's when Premier Soccer League will be back with ama surprises, ama moves abe right.
Kulento eyone esingayibambanga vele I think enzo yibhoso ikakhulu kuma Ninja lana ukuthi uma Ninja uya terminate the contract yakhe so kusele overnight kusasa ukhona ilokuze nini iwindow iclose. Is it fair?
Sakhuluma ngayo last week but maybe in closing ngani bengifuna sikhulume transfer le communication ye team yakho nje eka Mongameli sabona abo drop sebepostile wathi dina lazi la post ekucineni because abantu babe left hanging lokho besithi liqiniso kuyini yale ngakakhulumi I transfer. I think iwindi bese livalile then we had ukuthi idili la yenziwe but ukuthi uMonga iya drop isimthethi mbona omunye uchomi igemini ya drop lekhwekhwe esechaya skip esibhale Mongameli ukuthi vele sebem expect umafana ngale ku drop.
Your network itshengisa ukuthi asobantu labana abalama blinkers abakhayela izinto la bakhanyelela ikusasa ukuthi kusasa sizabe sinjani sizayenza abanye abantu they do ama decisions abe senza into yakho napho and into enjani ehlupha uyabungakwazi ukuthi ezinye izinto ukuthi umuntu eze decide ukuthi etshela umuntu 4 hours before iwin deliver
Le khulunywa ngobutho le.
ukuthi thina siyakulokhuza.
Yiyo sakhuluma ngayo sikhuluma ukuthi wona wayala sikhuluma ngoma-cheese uthi samukenza ama-example wathi kuchiyene
Angakhuluma ukuthi
ngakuthola
because laphana kwakunjani. There was a time ukubona wayithola i-team.
i-team
But for umuntu otshelwa khonapho
sele ma-hours ukuthi win deliver
worst part of it umuntu lwana he had the potential to go and play outside the country but due to ama-factors aziwa yi-Highlanders laye wayehlula ukuthi enjani ahambe yabo. So yabo ungasakwazi ukuthi umuntu uyadlela umuntu umona kumbe uyenza izinto zokuthi ufuna ukuthi kubenefit i-team. But okunye omele bekucabange nje ama-team when it comes to into zama-contract ukuthi i-career yebhora ayila span end. So i-opportunity yokuthi player lihambele kudla imali somewhere ingabuya khululekani limrelease umuntu nalingam-afford.
Sikhulumile ngokuthi asifayeni abantu aba-right kuma-position konke lokhu esikhuluma ngakho gents kuyaba kulutshwana. As long as we've got the right people kuma-position, I tell you.
Usuke sekwazi ukuthi maya ngiya-announcer this in space of sokusele 4 hours lo muntu uzahamba.
The other thing ebulela kakhulu for ibholeni leZimbabwe, a few players have got ama-agents and ama-agents akhona futhi nxa ekhona futhi alebugwelegwele ayadlela abafana kakhulu imali which is becomes bad and you cannot say ukuthi uhola 400 mbe 300 ube le-agent imali esihola abayihola yincane. So khona khana futhi kokwenza khona ama-clubs ethathe advantage to the other boys because amafana they are less privy to the law or how to go about those things because yabe ngela agent abezimela yethu.
But ifazi yayisenza umsebenzi alright.
Ifazi yayenza vele.
But yayisenza. These days songathi sokwasala ikhathi lenyoka inyoka siyahamba.
Hayi ifazi yasipana. Ifazi mina I know of cases because usually nxa ungaba lama case uyebhediki nyambuza mdara awufa uyakutshela hayi case even onomsa boys more they are working ifazi ama case amaningi behind the scenes ifazi yawafambira banofambira nyaza acho. In closing gents Saveriza last words.
Hayi amaningi mina amazwa ngile.
You enjoy it mono mutapa.
Yeah, I really enjoy.
Let's go finish sibukele ichili le aqua eluveve njengoba sithi abantu amaningi butho.
What a week. I'm just saying ukuthi kona happy heroes to all the Zimbabweans out there. Let's enjoy our Defence Force Day tomorrow. Let's love one another. Sunday, Saturday, let's go and enjoy the beautiful game that we love, football. Chibuku Super Cup with the Uhuru is back. May the best team win. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And remember, Lucky Bets is still there. Ili promotion yayo. Enega kona ma t-shirts. Where you just log into luckybets.co.zw and join, deposit, take 2 screenshots and send to the number which the guys had sent to your ekijima ngaphansi khona ku TV kakho. Siyabonga.
Sutman last words. Njengoba usutshintshile usungongezi.
Mina my last words ukuthi asiqhatheni abantu asibafaka ema-ofisini let be abantu bebhora to avoid these things of abafana labasho ngoSaveriza omaninji for what I want. Singabulale abafana. So asiqhatheni abantu bebhora ungazibona usungani usungumkhulu kakhulu awusakwanisa ezinye izinto chiyela abanye ungabe great. Uzibhora lethu li-enjoy and for sure even ama-coaches singacoachi ngenxa yema-certificate ukuthi ulokhu CAF A ma into zokwehlula beka phansi
ubuhlungu ngento yama-certificate ubuhlungu.
Yeah, best dancer knows when to leave the stage.
Beka phansi.
But it never happens, you know, in Africa maduda singaphonga ukukhuluma best dancers they will always
Yagcina ugenxa intambo yemayini.
They'll always dance.
Ulokugida.
There's always dance stage. Energy is paid. Umuntu lokhu egida. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Ngabona usubukele wafika la sesiyokugcineni. I would like to thank our sponsors, Lucky Pets. Ihlala isichasa sihamba layo usize sibe lapha, and also this episode was proudly brought to you by abona senathenga ngaqedwe uma suthi ukhalile uthe iPula Lethabo iyashuta eBaba Field Stadium mephenqa imarketing department usaselo umsebenzi ukuthi yenze ibrand ligcwala, but ungayibona isiwile lapha ku Parcel Movie no ukuthi isizagcwala. Usuzayibona endaweni ezinye abathengisayo bewode iPula Lethabo, ama details umenzi uzafaka khona phana. Ngiyabona kuthiwa ilungiselwa
abe imalini
Pula a product of Pula Lethabo Purified Water Private Limited, 12 Western Road, Tongrove. Khona apha koBulawayo ibrand la khona apha koBulawayo silisupporteni abantu belihood. I'm sure ngabo mephenqa ngabo $2 something icase lana e24.
ya ngithi ABF since ABF labana
Wena ujala uthenga malini?
ABF phakathi labana ogweja bathi $10 babe sebesigweja
$10?
10 rand. So lina bePula sicela lisenzela ngama 5 rand. 5 rand amanje.
iPula ithengisa iyawodisa. Ani ukutshelile ukuthi
libatshele bona benganjani
Masutu.
bengaspoil igama lelo.
Yabona into ekhona. Wena ngibona ukuthi uzavulwa kumsika umelele ukenza ucafe.
Okay,
ehodi.
abePula ngicelani
Ehodi kwePula.
linike mina bendithengisela 5 rand.
Umuntu udira umsebenzi ePula.
Cause ama 10 rand.
Dala kuboni. Anyway guys, thank you so much. Vuka uBrand Ambassador wePula.
wePula chini.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you next week guys. Ciao.